In this video, I'm going to solve the problem 23rd from chapter 26. A 890 watt radiant heater is constructed to operate at 115 volt. First question, what is the current in the heater when the unit is operating? The second question is, what is the resistance of the heating coil? And the third question is, how much thermal energy is produced in 5 hours? So let's rewrite what is given in the question first. So in this question, they gave the information about the power, which is 890 watt, and the potential value here they mentioned as 115 volt, and also they gave the information about the time. Here is 5 hours. So let's we convert these hours in terms of second, and in 1 hour, how many seconds are there? 3600 seconds are there. By that we can cancel this hour with hour. We will get the answer of the time in terms of second as 18,000 seconds. Now we are going to answer one by one. First question, we are going to calculate what is the current in the heater. As we know, for the power calculation, we have three rules. Power P, which is equal to I multiplied by V. Power P is equal to I square multiplied by R, and power P is equal to V square over R. We can't use this second and the third because the resistance information is not given. So I am going to use the first one. So for getting the answer for the first question, we are going to calculate the current, right? So I am going to use this rule. Power P is equal to current multiplied by potential. I have to rearrange this equation in terms of current. Therefore, current I is equal to power over voltage. And here the power is given as 890 watt and the voltage is 115 voltage. By that, if you calculate this, we will get the answer for the current as current I is equal to 7.74 ampere. So this is the answer for the first question. In the second question, we are going to calculate the resistance, right? So for calculating the resistance, I am going to use the rule V is equal to I multiplied by R. As we already studied this equation in the theory, voltage is equal to the current multiplied by resistance. So I am going to rearrange this equation in terms of resistance. The resistance R is equal to potential V over current, and potential is already given in the question as 115 volt, and the current, I am going to take the answer from the first part, which is 7.74. If you calculate, we got the answer for the resistance as R is equal to 14.9 ohm. So this is the answer for the second question. And in the third question, we are going to calculate how much thermal energy is produced in 5 hours. That means we are going to calculate the energy. And for that, we are going to use the general rule for the power. What is the general formula for the power? Power P is equal to energy over time, right? So therefore, if you rearrange this equation in terms of energy, energy U, because here I mentioned the energy as U, so energy U is equal to power multiplied by time, and power value is already given in the question, and the time we already convert that 5 hours in terms of seconds, so which takes the value of 18,000 seconds, right? And here the power is 890. So 890 for the power, and what is the time? 5 hours. How many seconds are there? 18,000 seconds are there. If you multiply these, we will get the answer for the energy as 1.6 multiply 10 power 7 joules. So this is the answer for the third question. That's it. Thank you.